Hi guys, welcome again in Shubham's cookbook, and today I'll be sharing with you a couple of tips and tricks that how to buy a perfect avocado and how to store that for long. But before I start this video, I would request you all that please do hit the like button and share this video if you feel that this video is helpful. As well as please subscribe my channel to see such more videos and press the bell icon to get all the notification of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So here is the bag of avocado in which 6 avocados are there. So whenever you're buying avocado in a bag like this, make sure that all the avocados are not ripe if you're not going to use that in a single day. As well as don't forget to unpack these avocados. So take out this from the bag you have bought. So now how you will come to know that which one is ripe and which one is unripe. So the thumb rule for the ripe or unripe is the unripe avocados are green in color, and as they start getting ripened, the color of the skin starts change from green to brown to black like this. Now this avocado is completely ripe, so I'm going to use this today only. And if you want to store ripe avocado, then keep right away inside the refrigerator and don't store more than 2 to 3 days. And now this avocado is going to wait till tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So these two I'm going to store in the refrigerator, and middle one I'm going to use it today right away. Now these three from the back, they are unripe, or they can wait inside the refrigerator for at least a week or 10 days, and almost 3 to 4 days on the countertop. So you can store it as your need is. And if you want your avocados to get ripe faster, then you can keep these avocados along with ripe banana in a paper bag. It will get ripe within a day. Also, while buying avocados, try to take the bigger one as they have more pulp in it, so it value your money. And last but not the least, this is very important tip. Whenever you are going to buy an avocado, make sure this have a little nub, and nub is like this small stem at the back of it. Otherwise your avocado is going to get rotten very faster, so make sure that it should have a little stem attached with it. So friends, these were a couple of the tips to choose a right avocado as well as store it. I hope this video will be helpful to you. See you again in another video. Till then, bye bye.